Blooming crops bring hope for life. These crops witness the change for us. These crops have become designer in the 21st century because in the instant era, there is a need for quality food and nutrition. Since the days of Green Revolution, India is self-sufficient in food grain production. Yet the challenge of providing sustainable food and nutrition security to each household was enormous. There was an urgent need to develop technological advancement-based innovative solutions. Understanding the need, the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India has set up the National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute, NABI, in Mohali, Punjab, in 2010 to carry out various research activities in the areas of agriculture, food and nutritional biotechnology. After operating from its interim campus for 7 years, NABI moved to its present picturesque, lush green campus in 2017. The long path to reach the destination of food and nutritional security for all needed a planned course of action and foresightedness. NABI's vision made it its first priority. Hence, the first emphasis was placed on nutritional quality as well as quantity. It could be made possible through agro-food biotechnology research and innovation. The basic mantra was hidden in designer crops. NABI understood the need of the hour and has developed many designer crops over the years. For example, anthocyanin-rich colored wheat for better health, high amylose wheat varieties for diabetic population. Pro-vitamin-rich banana are being developed by discovering genes for processing and nutritional quality improvement. Post-harvest losses and food contamination is a health and economic challenge. Scientists at NABI have developed edible fruit coating to prevent post-harvest losses, diagnostic kits to identify and quantify the microbial contamination in food products for better food safety. At the same time, diet-based strategies and policies are also being developed to address the problems of malnutrition. NABI delivered nutritional quality was improved through agri-food biotechnology innovations. That is why NABI is on the way to becoming a premier research organization for high-quality products to provide sustainable and new solutions for quality food and nutrition. The institute has also developed strong links with national and international organizations. Also, NABI is closely working with many industries for commercialization of its technologies and wider public impact. NABI is having successful collaboration with BioEndev AB, a Swedish company, to convert rice straw into energy-efficient biocoal to address long-standing problem of rice straw burning. Also, an active partnership has been developed with Cool Mill Systems Limited to improve rice milling landscape in India, with Cremica Food Industries to promote Eat Right through low GI foods. The institute is part of the Chandigarh Region Innovation and Knowledge Cluster. NABI also needs high-quality trained human resources for fulfilling these huge responsibilities. NABI itself is developing many educational programs in view of human resource development. At present, there are more than 100 students studying at NABI, including PhD as well as junior research fellows and project assistants. Along with developing human resources, training and providing a platform to future scientists, NABI is also starting a technology transfer and outreach program, which includes technology development and industrial incubation, technology transfer under public-private partnership mode, to conduct scientist-farmers industry meet, organization of awareness program on agri-food biotech for human welfare, and to conduct visits of school children to NABI labs. Advanced agriculture and nutritious food leads to happy farmer and healthy consumers. Their interrelation is the base of developed and healthy India. And NABI is on the way of creating version 2.0 of agriculture. Investment in agriculture and food is the best weapon against hunger and poverty. And in the 10-year period, NABI has put in commendable efforts to sharpen the edge of this weapon.